Today's video is about keeping your Windows 11 computer running smoothly by updating your driver. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's dive in. Updating drivers through Device Manager. First, open the search bar and type Device Manager. Click on the app that appears. Alternatively, you can right-click on Start menu and select Device Manager. This window shows all the reference hardware on your computer. Let's say you want to update your graphics driver. Find the display adapter section and expand it. You will see your graphic card listed here. Right click on it and select update driver. There are two ways to update the driver. First, try to search automatically for driver. If Windows find an update, it will install it for you. If Windows does not find anything, you can search for the driver yourself. Take note of the graphic card name and search for it online using a web browser. Only download driver from trusted source. These include the manufacturer website like Dell, Lenovo, HP, graphic card manufacturers website like Intel, Nvidia. Once you have downloaded the driver, return the device manager and select update driver again. This time choose browse my computer for driver. Navigate to the folder where you download the driver and select it. Click Next to install the update. Alternative update method. If automatic update fails or you prefer more option, you can try Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. This will show you a list of compatible driver. Generally, the top option is the most recent. Next, install it. Restart your computer after the update is complete. The process is similar for updating other driver. Find the device in Device Manager, right click on it and select Update Driver. While not the most efficient method, you can also update some driver through Windows Update. This can take a while depending on your internet speed. That's it for updating driver in Windows 11. Let me know in the comments if you were successful. I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time. Thanks for watching.